What's up, everyone? So I picked up this beard growth kit from Nayland. Wanted to show you what comes inside. It comes with this micro abrasion roller, and all you do is just kind of like roll it up on your skin, and you can feel it giving like a little pinches, I would say. It doesn't hurt at all, but it's supposed to help stimulate your hair follicles. So that's really nice. Comes with this beard growth oil as well. You can smell it in the box. It has like a nice lemony scent to it. Take a look here. It has a nice texture to it. It's not too oily. It smells really good. Just put this right on your beard. Just kind of work it in. It doesn't leave any residue behind. It does come with this beard balm as well. Show you this stuff. This has a nice texture to it. It's not too hard. You can easily just work this into your hand. This doesn't have a smell to it. And then just put this in your beard just like this. So this does have more of an oily texture to it. It's going to leave a little bit of a shine on your beard. So it does come with this really nice wooden comb here with some large and really fine bristles. It does come with this really nice carrying bag as well. That way you can put everything in here. Keep it nice and conveniently stored. So if you're looking for a great beard growth kit with just everything all in one box, it's really easy and convenient to use. This one's a great choice. Thanks for watching.